If I could teach the world one lesson, if I could make them understand. I think I need a
We were scheduled to start on the 1st of July, but as you have indicated, Miss Beryl has asked us to start today, and we have obliged. And as is customary, we try to provide for the locals who are not so fortunate to go off on scholarship to play professionally, to continue to try to play the game that they love after school. And so whilst they work, they still can enjoy a good game of basketball.
I think one of the things that we're looking at is creating more corporate social responsibility. We are 13 years into our business here in Jamaica, but we're looking to expand, especially coming on board with the Data Protection Act of 2022. Stronghold has decided that we need to make sure that people are aware of who we are, and what better way than to be involved in a sport that seems at many times to be neglected, and that is why we came on board to sponsor them as best as we possibly could.
The fact is that we have a little sponsorship now that will help us to do some things, because what we intend to do, we intend to put in a little sweetener between the end of the first round and the playoffs. So we'll have a little all-star game and so on, and so we can entice the fans, because some years ago we had a little competition and we would have identified a fan who we think would have deserved some recognition at our annual awards, and we're going to try to see if we do that again. We normally have a little handout and thing, a little trivia questions and so on for the fans, and we give them a little gifts and so on. So with the sponsorship, I'm hoping that we can reintroduce that to re-engage the fans again, and to create a little more hype, if I may say so, for the teams and the players to look forward to being selected for an all-star team.